Hi everyone, I have just a quick video update for you. We have nearly finished week 1. You still have to take your quiz, your online quiz, which is due by 6 p.m. on Sunday. Okay, so make sure you do that in time. It will auto-submit at 6 p.m. whether you're done or not. Okay, alright, so we're moving into week 2. And I just wanted to say week 1 reflection discussion I think went well. Good job. I really enjoyed reading your discussion. I just want to make sure moving forward that you're using in-text citations properly so that you're not plagiarizing information from the textbook or from your outside sources. Don't be surprised if your grade is lowered because of plagiarism issues. I was lenient during week 1, but now you've all got your footing and you should be able to plow ahead and do things correctly. So make sure you look at any comments that I gave you on your week 1 discussion grade. That's where I indicated things you needed to work on, perhaps. Okay, so let's move forward to week 2. And week 2, we're covering chapters 3 and 4. I'm going to click on the week 2 menu item here, and you can see that the MG assignment is available. And please note, it is back to its regularly scheduled due date, 8 a.m. Friday mornings. I gave you till Friday evening during week 1 only because people didn't have their textbooks. And I decided instead of midnight, I'll give you to Friday morning. I'm certainly not looking at it until Friday morning anyway. So you can have until 8 a.m. Friday morning for your MG assignments. If you do any of the questions late deductions will apply, but you certainly can still do it. The later it is, the higher the percentage of the grade deduction. The reflection assignment discussion is posted, and there are questions there. Please don't start it until Sunday, even though the questions are posted now. Please wait till Sunday. Let's everybody finish your quizzes before you start the next thing. Okay? And then, of course, your second online quiz will be available starting on Thursday of week 2 and available through Sunday at 6 p.m. Okay, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions.